to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today I have a haul. Now, I know I said in my last couple of videos I want to stop doing hauls so much, and then I've hit you with quite a few hauls in a row. However, I've filmed these kind of spaced out apart, if that makes sense. But today I went out with Love Your Chelmsford. They are basically a branch of Chelmsford Council, all about recycling and sustainability, and they're doing a campaign all about sustainable fashion. So I was out filming them all morning, and basically they have made up a film video of me going around the charity shops. That will be out soon, so be sure to go follow me on Instagram and follow them on Instagram to get all updates about that. But today I'm going to give you the haul portion. So I put together 2 outfits in that video, so this is all bought for me by them, if that makes sense, in the charity shops in Chelmsford, just to show everybody what you can find in the charity shops. But I thought I'd haul it for you guys because I thought you might want to see what I picked up, plus I got some goodies. So I'm going to show you everything I picked up, and this is going to be in no particular order, just kind of as I pull it out of the bag, and also how I tried on all this stuff and I've been wearing it. So is it the wrong way around? Yes, it is. The first thing was from Farley Hospice. This is a size large and it was £6, and it is just this kind of trench coat style jacket, and I think this is so cute. I'm actually not going to include try-on clips because I want you to go and look at the Love Your Chelmsford video when that goes live, and you'll see me in both of the outfits. But I thought this jacket was really nice. I liked kind of the subtle snake print of it, and it's quite a nice like lightweight jacket, and it is kind of crazy that it's February and we sat outside and had a drink, which is literally insane. Shows global warming is bad. But anyway, I wore this just with a little shirt underneath and was absolutely fine. So I thought this would be great going into spring, but I want kind of a light jacket but still want something over my shoulders. So that is the first thing I picked up. The next thing is this dress. This is from Reloved by Havens, and it was £10. It was in a size 14, and it's just this really cute little dress. I actually think this is going to be perfect for work with some tights underneath and maybe some boots. I think this is super cute. It's a little bit shorter than I'm used to. However, I think with some shorts and as I said with some like thick black tights, it actually look really cute, and the shape fit's a little different for me and I really enjoy it. And I was really feeling in the Valentine's Day spirit today, and this from the bags I brought, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's giving Minnie Mouse, it's giving Valentine's. It's just really like, I don't know, I love it. It's really, really cute. So yeah, very happy with this one. The next thing I picked up was from Age UK. These were £2.99, and I'm going to pull them the right side out, but they are some leather trousers. I noticed when I was going through my wardrobe, I've still not got a pair of leather trousers. I actually really like the shape of them, and they're kind of like got a good fastening at the top, and they're kind of just slimline, but also have got a nice waistband. Because my slimmer line ones at the moment are just elasticated waist, and I don't love the waist of them. Whereas this, I feel like I could tuck in a bodysuit or a shirt, and they look really cute. And so these were £2.99 from Age UK, and they're just a nice pair of leather trousers. I feel like these are a staple for autumn winter, and I'm glad I've still got these for like the end of winter, so I can still wear these because yeah, as I say, I think these are like the staple for autumn winter clothing. This with like a nice bag of jumper, I feel like would be cute, but also feel like you can dress these up for the evening with, as I said, like a bodysuit. Felt really cute with some heels. Felt these are really fun, so I picked up them. The next thing was from Oxfam. This was £3.99, and it's just this cute little shirt. Again, gonna be really practical for my new job because it is like a nice shirt. So I said it's just like a button-up blouse, but it's also got these kind of little flowery kind of cut out embroidered bits on them. I think they're really cute. It is just a plain white shirt, not too much to say about it, but it is really practical. And actually in the video I wore that with the leather trousers and the coat, and it was actually a really, really cute outfit. This is originally from Next, and yeah, I just thought it was really cute. I love the pattern on it. It was something a little bit different, but it's something I could wear with a lot of my kind of more officey trousers I've got now, and as it's long sleeve, so I can get away with that in kind of springtime with a nice pair of fancy trousers. I feel like this will look really cute, but I also feel like I could style this kind of over some denim shorts, could look really cute, maybe open on stuff like a bikini top could be cute. But there's multiple ways to style this, from kind of like office wear to just like casual, and I feel like you can style this in loads of ways, and I love pieces like that, so really happy with this one. The next thing I picked up was from RSPCA, and it was £1.50, and it's just this red scarf. I am really feeling red at the moment. Red, pink. I feel like I am just in the Valentine's Day spirit, and I thought this was really cute just to go over like a plain outfit and have like a red pop of colour. I've also got my red boots from Bernardo's, which I love, and I thought this would look really cool if I was wearing my red boots. Then wore this, maybe like for an evening look, and I'm going somewhere and I want to warm up a little bit but still want to look stylish. This could look really cool on top of that, again with my red boots. Oh, I love it. And yeah, it's a really practical purchase actually. I'm really enjoying a scarf recently. When I'm wearing like a lighter weight jacket but I chuck on a scarf, I still feel that little bit warmer. But they're an easier thing to take off and kind of just put in your tote bag when you are a bit too hot. So yes, this is from RSPCA on Molsham Street, and I think it's really cute. The next thing I picked up was from Age UK. Now this was £6.99 because it is new with tags. It's originally from Monkey, and am I not ready for Valentine's Day with this? I don't even know. I love this so much. Is it practical? No. Is it the most adorable thing I've ever seen? Yes. I feel like this is so cute. It would fit my wallet and it would fit a lipstick. That is probably it. Maybe a very small power bank, but oh my gosh, is it cute. It's the sort of bag you take when you're going for dinner and you don't need to bring anything, and it's gorgeous. It's giving Valentine's, and you know what? I don't have a red bag at all, so it's nice to actually have one now if I wanted a red pop of colour. And I love the gold hardware on it. I love how it's kind of a longer strap, and I just love the heart. I was actually looking in Haven's Hospices recently, and they had a red handbag that was a heart shape, but I didn't pick it up, so I'm really glad I got this one. I saw it on the mannequin and I was like, you might be coming home with me. I just love like the indents of the hearts. I don't know, I just think it's really, really cute, and I'm really glad I picked it up. This is my new baby. So the next thing are some earrings. These were from Oxfam and they were £1.99, and they are just, let me see if I can get them so you can see them. They are just these little earrings. I feel like they're kind of like an organic-y kind of shape, and I really, really like that. Gold is definitely my choice of metal when I go for earrings. I just feel like these will go with kind of any outfit. They're like a good, could be every day, could be more evening, a good mixture, and I just love how organically shaped these are, and I just think they are really, really sweet. Then finally from RSPCA, I got these really cute like Chelsea boots. These were only £4, and I just think these are perfect. I was actually saying to Hannah and Amy the other day that I don't own a pair of flat boots, and it got to like, when it's like winter, I feel like I really crave a flat boot. I feel like they look a bit nicer than trainers. So if I'm going out for dinner and I don't want to wear trainers, I don't want to wear heels, I really wanted a flat pair of boots. And these are my new babies, so I'm really happy with these. They slip on nice. They are a size 5, which is kind of a size bigger than I normally get. However, with these sort of boots, I will be wearing bigger socks, so I'm really glad that I've got these, and they're actually really comfortable. I wore them sort of around Chelmsford and they're actually really comfy, so really glad I've got these ones. But that's everything I picked up today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As I said, be sure to go check out Love Your Chelmsford's website and go follow us both on Instagram so you don't miss out when the video like ever then goes live. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.